Hello everyone, my name is Jene and you're watching Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Hi everyone and welcome. I am showing you my beautiful 3 fur babies. These puppies were born on the 10th of November. So they're just about 3 weeks of age. They're not quite steady on their legs, but as you can see, they are actually trying to move around. Their eyes are opened and they appear to be able to hear at this stage. They're very healthy and we just love them to death. So I'm just going to move the camera a little bit so I can sit down next to the crate here and I'll start bringing them out and showing them to you. So we're just going to move this right over here. Now, I would let you know what their names are, but unfortunately, we don't have names for them quite yet. So let me sit down. You may hear them. They're kind of, they kind of growl and bark sometimes. Like that. So, here we go. So, at this stage, like I said, they don't have very sturdy legs. So, they will walk into the walls and stuff. So, that's the reason why they're in a crate like this, so that way they don't hurt themselves. And I actually had to turn the crate to this side so that way they can't crawl out the front part of the crate because I couldn't put up a gate there. So they weren't very happy with me because I did that. They wanted to get on the floor. But we don't want them on the floor right now because it's really cold here in Winnipeg and their body temperature, unfortunately, they can't regulate it at this age. Sorry about that, everyone. I had to go ahead and break. So I wanted to go over each of these puppies. They are so cute. So let me show you the boy. This is what we would call a bi-black. Make sure I get him in frame there. Now these puppies don't have names. So if you guys would like to shout out some names down in the comments below, I would love to hear them. And you never know, I might use them too, huh, honey? Yeah. So this is the little boy. He can hear me, so he's staring at me. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. Yeah. Now he's the little one, or what we would call the runt, but he is really catching up with the girls. He's super, super cute. Oop, you can hear him growling. And he was the last one to open his eyes. But his eyes are now opened. Oh. And he's doing really, really well. So again, this is the boy. Isn't he cute? He's too, like, what is that? So, all right. So let me put him down. Now, I'm going to show you the girl. Now they're a little bit sleepy now, but that's okay. Now the boy was a bi-black. This one here is what we would call a tri. She is 3 separate colors. So she is black. She has some tan markings around her face. And she's got the white. So this is my little tri girl. Oops, big yawn. Big yawn. She's me sleepy. So trying to keep them in frame is a little hard, but she is just a super sweet puppy and very, very loved. She's fallen asleep in my hands. All right, so let me put her back. Now, the one that you're hearing making all the noises, that's the boy. He's a little frustrated. He can't find a place to sleep. All right, so the next one I'm going to show you is a bi-blue. Now, Bite Blues are kind of a different color. They're, we call them a blue, but they're actually a silver grayish color with some dark spots. Now, how that color comes about is basically it's a diluted black. Now, a bi meaning two colors. She is only white and blue. She's like, no, no. And I call her Miss Piggy, although that is not her name. So if you guys can figure out a name for her, let me know. But again, I call her right now Miss Piggy because she's like the biggest one out of the group. She was the first one born and the second one to open up her eyes. So again, you can see the dark spots here, but and then the light gray, but that is considered one color as far as the standards in the Sheltie world. So now a blue can actually have blue eyes. However, in the Sheltie world, only the blues can have blue eyes. If the sables, which are the brown dogs, or the blacks have blue eyes, they are not considered within the standards, which makes absolutely no sense, but it's the rules. So anyway, I've had one litter that had blue eyes, but I don't think this one will have blue eyes. She's got really dark eyes, and she's asleep. Her body's jolting. She fell asleep in my hand. The way you can calm a puppy down, especially this young, is see how I'm rubbing her face? That really calms puppies. That really helps settle them down. They feel secure, and that's the reason why she fell asleep in my hand. So, but she's quite a hefty little girl, and I'm going to be putting her down because I'm afraid I'm going to drop her pretty soon. My arm's screaming. The boy's still very unhappy. There we go. I don't know what's going on with the boy, but anyway, you know, boys will be boys. You didn't hear me say that. Anyway, guys, I wanted to do a small video on my puppies and show you my beautiful fur babies. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you have any names for them, I would love to hear about them. So again, if you guys give me some names, I will definitely let you know what we decide with those. And it'll be fun. So by saying that, guys, I will also continue to update you. Now, these puppies are only about 2.5 weeks of age. So you're going to notice the next time I do a video that their ability to walk on their legs are going to be a lot different. They will be a lot more boisterous and a lot more active. So they're still kind of in that transition stage of where they were first born, where they slept all the time, to at this point where they sleep 50% of the time, and 50% of the time they're trying to maneuver and learn their surroundings. So anyway, by saying that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Greatly appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel or just stopping by, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell's going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So, by saying that, everyone, please be safe, be healthy, be happy. Again, my name is Jene. Thank you for spending some time with us tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.